have already made the decision as the government of Kenya that for you people from Congo, Brazzaville, from tomorrow, you will not need any visa to come to Kenya. It is part of the reason that will begin to increase trade between our countries. When people move, ideas move, relationships are built, business is built, enterprise is built, trade is built. And that is what we must do. Your policymakers, I really want to persuade you. We now have the Africa Continental Free Trade Area that is going to facilitate trade between all our countries. Among the conversations we are going to have with President Sassou is how to connect the Indian Ocean and the Atlantic by road. From Mombasa to Kampala, the road is already built. From Kampala to Beni, the road is being built. We want to build it now from Beni to Kisangani, and then from Kisangani, we want to bring it all the way to Pont Noir here, by road, by water, and by rail.